The question is, so why people are so scared of death?
I don't know why. I think death is an escape from the miseries of the world. So people should look forward to it. Death is nothing to be scared of. Right?
Huzur,
The psychological reason why people are afraid is because they have many dear ones in this world and they don't want to leave them. You would not like to depart from this world suddenly, leaving your parents and brothers and sisters so sad. So I think you're not afraid for yourself as much as for the people you leave behind, in case of God forbid. So that is the reason perhaps why. Right? You never think of Pulsirat at that time, do you?
Huzur,